So you've returned for more? For four more? For four more? I please the crowd. I am your Pokemon World Champion. And I will not disappoint you. So, I am Alexander the Pack Breaker Leviathan, and I will break you. Let's go!
Big man's for that heart right. Love everything I write. Hate to say that I'm too bright. Pink covered in frostbite. Excalibur sword knight. Bruce Wayne in them dark.
Let's get something good. Today I went hunting for cards and I got 91 packs. 91. Can you believe that? 91 packs. None from Walmart, none from Target, all from Rite Aid, all from GameStop. Wish me luck. Today's a special opening too because I managed to get my hand on a couple of shining fates. I've never opened those before, so today will be my first day opening them, and we will see if I get anything good. Wish me luck. Hit the like button for luck. That's so corny. Please hit the like button. I need it. Reverse. And the finale to pack 1. What? Celebi VMAX Rainbow! Oh, I got something for you. Yes. Oh, pack 1. No, top loader. Plastic, double it up. There we go. Pack 1 coming in big for the new video format. Let's go. That's incredible. That's amazing. I can't believe it. Wow. That's one great way to start off a video. I got 3 packs left. We're gonna go with let's go with Vivid. Let's go! Shout out to my boy Kevin. He's been getting some good pulls off of Vivid. Very nice. Save that for later. Forward to the front. Shout out to Dave Isn't Cool. It's my boy. Go check his channel out. Dave Isn't Cool. My guy, my brother. You're gonna love him the way I love him. Dave Isn't Cool on YouTube. Check him out. Pokemon openings. Pack 1, pack 2. Come on. Fall in line, my boy. Fall in line. Woo, the Card Commando. Sub to him too. Love him. The Card Commando. Oop, double pull. Okay, Wiseman. Eevee, I love Eevee no matter what. All Eevee art is great for me. To me, anyway. And the finale to pack 2. Okay. There we go. Pack 2. Corvex Knight. Sub to him. Corvex Knight. Sub to him too. It's my boy too. Oh, showing the love. Tube, of course. Sub to Tube. Sub to him. He is great. He gives us the tie seal of approval. That's my guy. Darkness Ablaze. I want to save Shining Face for last. Darkness Ablaze. Let's go. Here we go. 91 packs. Go to Rite Aid. See what they got. I hit up 5 in the last 2 days. I've gotten over 100 packs of cards. See what they got, including these Shining Fates too. I was super surprised they had Shining Fate 10s. The mini ones, 2 of them? What? Yeah, I got all of that. Yeah. Bought out a couple of Rite Aids today. Like I said, 5? 2 GameStops. The one GameStop had 10 per, and the second one had 5 per. So I got 10 from both because I had another person with me, but that was strange that the 2 different locations had 2 different regulations for that. It is what it is, though. Reverse, beautiful reverse. And for the finale of pack 3, okay, non-hollow. Pack 3 is in the book. Yeah, so 91 packs. And that's not even counting what I got yesterday. I don't even remember what I did yesterday. I don't even remember. So those. Also got this. I got this today too. It's just a Gardevoir deck. Not too bad. I'm gonna open that as a short later. Pretty good. Nothing too bad. Also at GameStop, I was able to get these 2 exclusives. They came with every pack that I bought, and then I got one when my friend went and got me the other 5. So here we go, the finale, Shining Fates. Shout out to the Rite Aid girls. They sold me all of the packs in the store. I told them that I was a YouTuber, you know, doing my thing and everything. So she told me to shout her out. She didn't tell me her name because she was nervous. It's all good. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. She worked on a joint at Elmwood. Yeah, I remember. Here we go. My first ever video. No, first ever time, period. Opening Shining Fates. Let us go. Didn't expect that one. Oh, I'm so nervous. I don't know what to expect. I'm so nervous. Here we go. Save this for later. Okay. I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Give me something good. I don't know what to expect. This is the first time, like I said, I'm opening these. I have no clue what's going on. Here we go. Okay, reverse, Volcanion. Here we go. Nice reverse. And for the finale of pack 4. First pack of Shining Fates. Here we go. Oh, nothing. Nothing. But you know what though? Pack 1 started off with one big bang. That's amazing. Oh, yes. Well, it's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please come back tomorrow for more. Come back tomorrow for more. I have been your Pokemon World Champion. And I beat Red, so it counts. Alexander Leviathan, the Pack Breaker. I will see you tomorrow for more. Play the track.
Nights, being sinning, I must smite. Burn hot flame all white. Cause it's lit, stands know it's ahead. Razor sharp wit, the crown might split.